Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the food items that I replaced from my last video with the bioengineered ingredients. All of these food items are organic. They're ingredients that you can actually read, and that is one thing that I am discovering on this new journey is that you really want to get products that you know the ingredients. If you can say the ingredients, they're probably good for you. So that's one thing that I'm learning. I'm still learning. It's still a learning curve for me. But I am really enjoying all of the research that I'm being able to do, the new foods that me and my family are being able to try. And if you guys know any really good organic like flours or chip options or recipes that you and your family like to use, please let me know in the comments, because this is a total new learning thing for me. I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's definitely going to be a whole lot better for my family's health. And I'm going to show you the Thrive Market that I received in today's video. So Thrive Market I'm using as a tool. I'm going to use that to kind of help me to understand ingredients that are in things, to be able to just look at it and go into a grocery store and know, okay, this brand is okay for my family to have, this brand is not. And I'm just using it as a tool. I'm not sure if this is something that I will always purchase from. This is a subscription service that I purchased with my own money. I have it for a year. I've already purchased a year, so you'll be seeing lots of items that I'm purchasing throughout from Thrive Market. So they have products that range from like grocery items to your household items. Also use Young Living. I've been using them for a while now for like household cleaning products and that sort of thing. And then I'm going to be using Thrive. You can order these products from Amazon, and the ones that I can link from Amazon, I will have linked in the description below. The Amazon is an affiliate link, so if you choose to click on the link, it will take you directly to the product on Amazon where you can purchase it, but it does help support this channel. So thank you so much. If you are doing that and you want to support this channel, I would greatly appreciate the support. And I also just want to bring you ideas that you and your family can enjoy. I'm going to show you the complete Thrive haul that I have and just show you the things that I'm replacing all of the food items from the last video with: oodles and noodles, chip options, macaroni options, just to name a few. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in what I purchased to replace these products that my family was consuming. I'm going to go ahead and show you now that grocery haul. So I'm going to start with the chips. I picked out two just basic regular plain potato chips, and then the sea salt and vinegar is mine and my daughter's absolute favorite. So I got us two different brands to try, the Kettle brand and then the Siete brand. And then I also picked up tortilla chips. This is the Siete brand, and I'm going to pair this with queso dip. This is the one that I picked up this time because it's dairy free and I'm having problems with dairy. Movie theater popcorn. I have a popcorn machine that we like to have movie night with. Hello Fresh watermelon flavored toothpaste. This is going to be for my daughter. It's fluoride free. Me and my husband use the Tom's toothpaste that's fluoride free as well. Smart Sweets. I love all of these. There's so many good flavors. Garlic bread that I'm going to pair with some pasta. Regular Pringles. Honest Kids juice. These sea salt. I'm going to use these for like a sushi roll. It's the seaweed rolls. Applesauce, because I have been on an applesauce kick. Absolutely love applesauce. Plant-based milk for my smoothies and my coffee. Mary's Graham crackers. I'm going to pair this with some hummus. If you love graham crackers, you should totally try these because they are amazing. My husband loved them. I loved them. They taste exactly like a graham cracker. And to me, they even taste better. They're so good, and the ingredients are really good in them as well. I picked up some of the Annie's organic cheddar bunnies, microwavable rice. I know it's better to cook it on the stove top, but this is just a fast and easy option to replace that Uncle Ben's rice. A couple different pasta options. Also picked up a plant-based pasta because, as I mentioned, dairy, and then a regular one. My daughter loves to take macaroni and cheese cups for lunch, so I picked these up for her. To replace the ramen noodles, I picked all of these up. This is going to be like your basic miso soup one. This is a family size pack because I'm going to make ramen one night. And then this is a mushroom flavored one. I really hope this one's going to be good because I love mushroom flavored things. So I picked that up. Some Einkorn all-purpose flour. And if you know another all-purpose flour that's organic, please let me know below in the comments. I would love to try different flours out. And then this is a free gift. So when you sign up, they give you a gift. This is the ghee, almond butter, and a cookbook, and you do get to make a selection. This is just the gift that I chose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to go out and shop organically and choose better, healthy options for you and your family. And I will see you again next time. Bye.